In this video, we're going to talk about everything you need to know about Watersound Origins. Hi, I am Richard Imers. I've sold real estate in the Destin to Santa Rosa Beach area since 1995. And if you're thinking about buying in Watersound Origins, then let's take a look around with Google Maps. Here, I can give you a good overview of the community. And then we can take a drive around the neighborhood and view several different properties at different price points so you can decide if Watersound Origins is right for you. Now, let's get started.
So you want to know how to find Watersound Origins? Well, I'm going to show you. There. That's Watersound Origins. But if you would like to know how to get there, well, we take Highway 98 if we're coming from Destin, or 331. And when we get to right about there, you're going to see these little white arches on either side of this bridge. And you make a left. And you are now in Watersound Origins, which, by the way, has its own golf course, tennis courts, swimming pools, and clubhouse. Now, from here, we can go to Panama City Beach, but better than that, we can go across Highway 98 on the Watersound Parkway down to 30A, make a left, and go to Alice Beach or Seacrest Beach or Rosemary Beach, and then back out onto 30A. Or we can make a right and go to Seaside. And there you have it, getting to and from Watersound Origins.
If this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about owning property in Destin to Miramar Beach, Santa Rosa Beach, 30A and Inlet Beach, then subscribe below and slap the bell so you'll receive notifications each time I add another community, so you can be the first to know about other communities of the Emerald Coast. My name is Richard Imers. I'm with eXp Realty. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you, looking for help on making their move to our Emerald Coast. And we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All of the information is in the description below, so we can help you make a smooth transition to our Emerald Coast. So here we are, we're walking down Cannonball Court in Watersound Origins. We're going to number 16 Cannonball Court, which is right down on the corner of Splash and Cannonball. We just want you to get an idea of this neighborhood. Cute, cute, cute homes. And we're just kind of walking down the street. I think we're passing number 26 Cannonball. These are some very well built homes. And there is number 16. So you can see this property here. Beautiful property. Number 16 Cannonball Court is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath home built in 2016. 2,748 square feet. The asking price is $1,449,000. 41 days on the market. Good looking house. We'll walk down to Splash. This house is close to the clubhouse, the golf course, the tennis courts, the pickleball courts. So this is the back of the house. So here we are in Campion Court. We're looking for number 17 Campion Court, which is for sale currently. I thought I'd give you a little view of the houses in the neighborhood on the street. So we're just going to walk down. Looks like we're passing number 45 Campion Court. So you can see they've got two-story and single-story homes. These are some of the least expensive homes in Watersound. This is Watersound Origins. But don't let that fool you. They have houses that go up to $2 million in this neighborhood. It's located north of Highway 98, just off of Watersound Parkway. And here we are. We are now walking up to number 17. Nice house, little porch, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, about 1,700 square feet. So yeah, there's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Asking price is $759,000. House has been on the market for 64 days. It was built in 2020. There you have it. Pretty straightforward, small lots, but hey, who needs to do yard work? Have a great day. Well, we're walking down Splash Drive. We're looking for 230 North Splash Drive in Watersound Origins. Now, Watersound Origins has a lot of amenities. They've got the golf course here right on the property. It's a 10-hole, and the green fees are paid for by your monthly association dues. So it's like free golf unless you want to take a golf cart. Great swimming pool, workout room, and you do have the ability to join the Watersound Beaches Beach Club and Camp Creek Golf Course. So there are a lot of great amenities. We're coming up right here. This is 230 North Splash. A little bit of information about this property. This is a 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home built in 2018, so it's a relatively new home. It's been on the market 139 days. That's $667 a square foot, and the quarterly assessment is $525, and that includes free golf. What else can I tell you? Oh yeah, square footage. It's 3,346 square feet. Asking price, $2,300,000. Enjoy.